If you hear knocking in the transmission, don't ignore it. A transmission should shift gears, not play drums under your car. But here's the important part. Not every knock near the transmission is actually inside the transmission. Sometimes the real problem is a bad mount, worn CV axle, loose drive shaft part, or low fluid. The transmission gets blamed because it is big, scary, and expensive. Basically, it's the usual suspect in the crime scene. First, pay attention to when the knocking happens. If you hear a knock when shifting from park to drive or park to reverse, check the engine mounts and transmission mount. A bad mount lets the engine and transmission move too much. When the gear engages, the whole assembly can jump and make a clunk or knock. If the knocking happens mostly during acceleration, especially when you press and release the gas pedal, check the CV axles, drive shaft, U-joints, and differential mounts. These parts transfer power to the wheels, and when they wear out, they can knock under load. If the knocking happens while turning, the transmission may not be the problem at all. A worn CV joint often makes clicking or knocking noises during turns. That's the car's way of saying, "My axle is not having a good day." Also, check the transmission fluid level and condition. Low fluid can cause harsh shifting, delayed engagement, slipping, overheating, and strange noises. If the fluid is dark, dirty, or smells burnt, that is not extra seasoning. That is a warning sign. If the car also has hard shifting, slipping, delayed gear engagement, warning lights, or transmission codes, the problem may be more serious. Use a scan tool that can read transmission codes, not just basic engine codes. So if you hear knocking in the transmission, start with simple checks. Fluid level, fluid condition, engine mounts, transmission mount, CV axles, drive shaft, U-joints, and transmission codes. Do not keep driving hard if the knocking is loud, getting worse, or comes with slipping. A small knock today can become a very expensive surprise concert tomorrow, and transmissions do not sell cheap tickets.